Go. Since it's being approached from the left and the right, we actually will use both of the f of x's for this one. So as you're approaching 2 from the left, because remember you have as you're approaching it from the left, you're going to use this one. As you're approaching from the right, you're going to use this one. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left, remember the left is the 2x plus 3. It's going to be the limit of 2x plus 3 as x approaches 2 from the left. Okay? And then just like anywhere else, you just plug the 2 right on in. So 2 times 2 plus 3, which is 7. Okay? So for this limit to exist, when it's approaching it from the right, it also has to equal 7. Okay? So the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right, remember that's the limit of x squared plus 1. And put the little parentheses there. Okay? And just like before, we just plug our 2 right in. So you have 2 squared plus 1, which is equal to 5. Okay? So we know for b, as it approaches 2, the limit doesn't exist. Since the limit is not the same from the left and right, it does not exist. Yes.
Let's say we run into a problem like this on an exam, will we just put does not exist?
Yep, once you show why it doesn't exist, then yep, you just put does not exist, or D and E, either one would work. Yes.
So, the reason why you had to go for both because it was equal to 2, so you had to use both. Say it was 3, then you'd only use the 1. Correct?
Yep, the only reason we had to use both of them for B is because 2 is that, I guess you could say, that focal point.
Yeah.
So since you're approaching 2, it doesn't say you're approaching 2 from the left or from the right. But for A, if you notice, when you're approaching 1, 1 is right here. It doesn't matter if you're approaching from the left or the right, it's still going to be less than 2. So that's why we just had to use less than 2.
2.001, whatever, then we'd only use the 1. We'd only use the 1 equation.
Yep, yep, that's it.
So if it's, the equation was not a greater or equal to, it was just a greater, so that means we wouldn't be able to do that one, right?
Oh yeah, if it was just greater for both of those, then the one approaching 1 wouldn't even exist.
I'm talking about for the question B. So if the second part of where it's greater than or equal to 2, if it was just greater than 2, will you be able to do B, or you wouldn't be able to?
Oh yeah, because even though it's greater than 2, it's still getting closer and closer. Yeah,
okay.
That's all we're worried about is getting closer and closer. The equal to is just thrown in there. Yes.
How'd you get the number 7 again?
Oh. The number 7, because when we're approaching from the left, is that when you're approaching from the left, this is the equation that we would use.
Oh.
Yep, so when we're approaching from the right, that's when we use the x squared one. Okay. Any other questions, or it kind of makes sense? All right, so I'll go ahead and stop there for now.